Important reminder. Before you assemble your Libernovo chair, please put on the provided safety gloves. Some metal or plastic parts may have sharp edges. Your safety is our priority.
Remove the screws at the front end of the seat cushion. Remove the two long screws at the rear sides of the cushion. Unscrew the adjustment lever module. Unplug the USB-C cable at the rear of the cushion. Lift the cushion to complete the disassembly. Secure with screws and install wiring. Lift the seat cushion assembly and position it above the frame. Align the mounting points and place the chair seat on the frame. Secure the seat with the provided screws. Use the long screws for the side mounts. Use the short screw for the front of the seat. Once the screws are tightened, connect the wiring. Plug the USB-C cable from the frame into the port at the back of the seat. Place the adjustment lever into the correct position beneath the seat. Twist clockwise to secure the piece into place.